What's going on, guys? It is Kieran here, and today we are here doing a exploring video, which is I've never done before, so it's going to be a new experience. I am vlogging with my DSLR, which makes a change. Quality is looking absolutely mint. So yeah, we're going to slowly make our way there. It's in Wickford, so we're going to slowly make our way there, let it, like the sun go down a bit, and then yeah, without further ado, let's crack on.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Excalad. Today I'm taking over Kieran's video. We're going to an abandoned place so I can bum him. Yes? No? Yes, it is. I turned it on. Slag. I haven't done it.
Right, so we just arrived at destination, basically here with Matt, as you can see in the background. Then we've got Ufuk, we arrived in my car. We've got Tia in the background, which is there behind me, and then we've got Brendan. Unfortunately, I've got the wrong SD card, which is an absolute idiot, and I haven't got much storage. So it's going to be a mix and match between my phone and this, which is a bit of a letdown, unfortunately. But slowly getting dark. We did arrive a little bit early, and now we're just waiting for the dark to come along. And yeah, hopefully it should be an interesting night. Excuse me. I'm not gonna. I was like, hope to withdraw. No, don't tell me starting. Oh, there we go.
Now I start finding you out.
There she is. The church. Mate, I'm quite scared, not gonna lie. I have a bad feeling. But there's a church over in the distance, and so many bushes. Ready? Look at all of these. I have to walk through stinging nettles and everything. Well, I'm just about to see over in the background as well. There's a mental asylum, but that's all blocked off because they're working on it, so it's not much of a bother. Anyway, let's go on with our adventure, because the church is just in front of us. You can see there. Damn, there she is. Who is that? To your left. It's still open. It's still open. Relax. It's still open. Relax. Relax. She's got in. Damn.
Every single.
Wait. Hold on, boys. Nothing in here. Wait, hold on, what church is it called? Longwell Hospital Church. There you go. What? This is mad. It never. Boys, girls, the floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you all survived, lucky. Whee! Everything's still intact and everything though. What, the floor is lava? Yeah, you gotta do it when you least expect it. Are you playing the piano? Go on in. Last time we came.
I'm ready.
Alright, so last time we came, we played the piano, well Brendan did, and then after, there's some voice came and it scared the hell out of us.
Can we Stevie Wonder?
Go on. And then the voice came.
Who's come this far?
Yeah, come. Look at this. Everything. Heard what?
Someone just screamed, bro. Who heard?
Wasn't on. Damn. Boys, wait, where's another door? Oh, is that the organ?
Can you hold that?
I can't, my hands are cool. Is that the organ? What? Oh, it don't work. The electrics are off. What's in the right hand side? Look at all the electrics. What? No way. Oh, there's an upstairs. Is it dead bird?
What going up there?
There's a loft as well. There's a loft. Is it just us two going up? Okay. Hey. Huh? This is where people imagine doing a Ouija board in here.
I hear silence.
It's not being funny, this can fall down.
I'm hearing silence.
This is lit. Sorry, Jesus. Well, back down we go.
Oh, fuck. God.
Oh. What's in that there? What's in there? Nothing. Wait, relax, wait. Hey, anyone want to go up there?
Where?
Up in the loft.
Where? There's a loft.
Yeah, look, up there. That's why the ladder's there.
I'm not getting up there. No, listen, I've got boundaries and that's just taking the piss.
There's probably all that stuff in there.
We need to get out.
Wait. Anyone put the fuses back in?
I've got a little bit of college.
Bro, this is like zombie, bro.
It's good to put the fuses back in and shit.
Incoming cable is dead. What you got to do is put the fuses back on that one. Damn.
I think the electric can cut off.
Wait. Jesus, scared the crap out of me. Wait, as I say, open the doors. Come this side with me. Open that door. No, it's not in the loft, just open the door. Oh, it's all electric.
That's just for the organs. If anything breaks,
Yeah, I know.
the loft.
Wait, you're going up, you want to go up there?
Are you going up there?
I'm really starting to get that.
Yeah, but I think we need to leave the right now.
Wait, oh. Yo, don't do that. Don't do that. Wait, no way. Someone's left a pipe, no, the hymn song. The hymns. Damn. Get a picture. Huh? Let's quickly swap sides. Yes. Damn. What the hell? I swear to God. Longest walk. Ever. Alright, so basically we went to the church and it wasn't a great church. It was like really empty and whatever else as well. So that's why it's going to be a short video.
There was a bit of a presence.
There was, yeah. It was very, very eerie.
No, I did feel a little. I don't believe in ghosts or any of that bollocks, but it was on point when it came to silly and minute, stupid, scary noises. It's like our brains were playing tricks on us. We're hearing things because we want to hear it because of where we were. But anyways,
No. Alright, yeah. Thanks, appreciate that.
Make sure to leave a like for the most stupidest and riskiest thing we've ever done in our lives.
But anyway, that's like I said, it was a very, very short video. So I do hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, do be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And until next time, Adios.